This video is about managing your All Leads section. On the main menu, once you click on Lead Manager, you will be able to see all your lead details under the All Leads section. Here, you can see the lead name, project name, stage of the lead, project type, lead source, reporter, assignees if assigned, lead created on, project location, and project area. Based on the stage of the lead, you can manually change the lead stage to new, connected, sent, proposal sent, or meeting scheduled. You can filter your leads by selecting the project type, reporter, lead stage, lead source, or lead created date range by choosing the start and end date and clicking Apply. You can snooze a lead by clicking on the three dots and selecting Snooze. You can set a date to snooze your lead and choose a reason for snoozing. You can also archive your lead if required. You can toggle between different states such as active, snoozed, archived, won, and lost to easily manage all your leads in one place. That's all in this video on how to manage your All Leads section. Thank you.